Hey y'all, about to do a quick, easy clean my refrigerator with me. I've been supposed to do this, y'all. I'm just getting around to it or whatever. So I'm gonna find somewhere to prop you guys up and I'm gonna show y'all the refrigerator. I took everything out already. That's what it's looking like. It's empty. Everything's empty. And I do all my food, different types of food and stuff that goes in the refrigerator. Now, I don't know how to turn around the camera for you all to see it, so that's why it's look a little sketchy. But I'm going to be using Lysol all-purpose cleaner. I was going to use Clorox. I actually bought some Clorox to use on it, but then I thought about it now. Because my food and stuff going to be in here, so I decided to use all-purpose. And as y'all see, I'm spraying everything down, you know, before I start on it. Gotta get a chair or something to keep the refrigerator open. Put one of my bar stools in front of it. Okay. I'm gonna find somewhere to prop you guys up at. Let me see. I might actually be able to prop you guys up. Right here. Okay. Okay, you guys. So, got my rag. I already sprayed down. So, I'm just gonna clean. And like I said, like y'all seen, the refrigerator ain't that dirty, you know. Just maybe food portion here and there. They don't waste. But other than that, it ain't like filthy or nothing like that. I just came from the grocery store. I'm gonna do a grocery haul with you all. I'm gonna put it in. If this video is not that long, I'm gonna do my grocery haul on this video. But if not, well, if the video too long, I just do it different, separate. That's probably what I do anyway. Do it all separate. Whatever. I know y'all probably can't hardly see me, but I'm trying my best. Let me move y'all. Move y'all. Right. Right. I ain't got nothing, y'all. Hold on. Okay, I think that'd be better. It's a little bit better. It's in front of my bar stool. But like I said, the refrigerator ain't really dirty. There's some Kool-Aid or something got stuck right there. This is where I put my fruits and vegetables in. I had some apples in here, but I took them out to clean. I actually got this towel to bend down on. This Lysol smells good, y'all. Real good. Some areas I have to scrub because there's some stuff and waste in it. And I've started using a dry rag because the refrigerator already cold and wet, so you're gonna get your rag wet. So I started using a dry rag or whatever. Oh, how did I get up on it now? How this stuff get up on here, y'all? been supposed to have did this, y'all. Been procrastinating. They said I'm gonna go and do it. Just got off of work. Now, why is this getting up one of them? I just got off of work or whatever. So I said, no, if I sit down and start doing other stuff, it won't get dead there. I do it tomorrow. And I just said, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Because it ain't that bad. It's clean now, y'all. Clean this right here. I'm not gonna clean the freezer. The freezer not nasty. Full though, but it's not nasty. So, freezer good. Freezer good. Like I said, the refrigerator wasn't nasty either. Just had a little stuff here and there. They had waste. But it went to the point where it was filthy. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. Sorry about that, how I had y'all propped up in front of my bar stool. But y'all, that concludes the video of the clean with me refrigerator. What I'm about to do now is put everything back in the refrigerator, and then after that I'm gonna do a grocery haul. The stuff that I got from the grocery store I'm not gonna put in the refrigerator until after. But okay, so see y'all later. I'm gonna upload this right now as we speak.